Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Blender and its bundled Python match your needs. This avoids path conflicts later. Once done, enable developer extras and switch to the scripting workspace so you have the text editor and console visible. Create a new Py file in the text editor and save it inside your Blender project. Saving gives you a stable module path. Make sure to set the text editor to register or run scripts manually. This first step places code where Blender expects to find it. You now write code using BPY to interact with Blender data. Start small by creating an operator that moves an object or toggles visibility to validate context. Once the operator works, add BL name and implement register /unregister so Blender recognizes your class. This matters when reloading scripts. Use relative file paths for assets and package code as a module rather than altering sys. Path. This keeps imports predictable. If you need preferences, expose them with BPY. You finish by running the script from the text editor and verifying changes in the viewport. If you want persistence, package the code as an add-on within it. Py and install via preferences. Once installed, enable the add-on and test in a fresh Blender file to confirm no hidden state. If something breaks, open the Python console and system console for tracebacks, re-register classes, and ensure the operator runs in the correct context. That one troubleshooting tip resolves most runtime issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.